Ready to go. Here we are. Garage door opener making a lot of noise. We need to lubricate any joint, anything where it moves. And there's lots of movement. We're using this product right here. 3-in-1 Garage Door Lube.
Where can I get it from?
I believe you can pick this up at Lowe's or Home Depot. Highly recommended from a garage door installer. So I'm going to just currently point to where I'm going to be shooting it. So you're going to have movement in here, in that spot, in here, into the roller. Same with here. So I just give it a little, oh, and try not to move when I do it. There we go. A little shot there into the wheel. Oh, that one's good when it gets in there. Lots of lube.
You need more? More is better, or?
Yeah, maybe. And come along with a little cloth and get it dripping so it doesn't drip on your stuff. Anywhere that metal's touching metal and it's moving. And here, can we release that real quick and let it come down? And then of course you're gonna hit all these too. I'll hit it from this side. Yeah, we probably should have hit the button there and let it lube up. Probably even easier to hit it here. A little darker to see, but okay.
Just do this for all joints, right?
Every joint you got.
Any moving?
I think I already hit this.
And after you do it, open and close your garage?
Yeah, open and close it, maybe, yeah. We're getting a little sloppy with it, but...
How often should we do this?
I would say twice a year, probably. And if it gets noisy, you put it in there.
Do you think this is the only grease you should use?
Well, you can, for your opener here, you might want to, that's where you put a heavier duty grease. You know, some kind of heavy grease that would go in there, and that you got a worm drive there. Because the worm drive's spinning and there are teeth on this, and it just slides along there, grabbing, and so you lube that up really good so that it's going back and forth.
Any particular grease you recommend?
Oh, I'm no expert on grease, so, but...
what about the spring?
I don't think you have to do anything with the spring. The spring's going to do what the spring's going to do.
Okay.
I wonder, I don't know, but here's an idea. What do you think? You know, would it be good to lubricate the springs so that as the springs are doing it, they do a little bit of motion against each other, but I don't know. That might be something to...
If you guys want to leave a comment below and let us know what you think.
Yeah, maybe you know better.
Should we lubricate the spring?
Oh, now I got to get back to the wheels here. Make sure we get those done. It's not where the wheel's hitting, but it's where the wheel's rotating on the axle. Is where.
So it's not the rail.
No, it's not the rail. It's the axle. Yeah. It's like you don't lubricate your tire and the ground. You lubricate the axle that's spinning around. Oh, looks like they've got maybe a replacement piece here. Sometimes these break, and this one's really much newer. They must have done that maybe as part of your inspection. You didn't even know it. Shoot it in here for sure, because this is a rod that is obviously it's penetrating in there. Same with this guy. Make sure you get it in that rod. Fantastic. Nice. One more.
All right, guys, quick video on how to lubricate your garage door.
Hit that button. Let's see what this sounds like now. We already got this one, right? Some of that creaking might start to go away. And then if you don't want to actually run the door opener, close it again. Go ahead. This should be a manual release right here. We'll let that come down. Most garage door openers have a release, and that literally just released it from the worm drive. So now I can just lift it by hand. So if you didn't want to work your garage door opener very much, now you're hearing literally just the garage door, not the opener making any noise. This is just the door itself rambling. There we go. And then to put it back, there we go, locked it in and it's good to go. But they all have a release, so if you lose electricity, or maybe if you're, big recommendation, if you're going on vacation for a long time, unplug your garage door opener while it's still engaged, and that way nobody can open and close your door.
Yeah, but I've seen guys take hangers right through here in the crack and disengage their clip.
Well, that's a possibility.
Robbed at the other place.
Okay. There was okay, I'm not sure how they'd get there, but yeah, that's possible.
Is there a hole right above that clip? Because what I did on the other one at the other house.
Oh, drill.
Yeah, you could drill a hole, or if there's a hole, and then I put a zip tie there.
There you go. That would work pretty good.
Cool. All right, guys. Thanks, man.